Okay, good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day. Uh, at GMT Blogs Trading Up. You're welcome. Your host, same host every day, Joshua Pastor, and we're here analyzing gold. Okay, we are here analyzing gold. So, guys, let's keep on smashing the like button. I all depend on you guys. If you don't smash the like button, then it's not fair, man. So keep on smashing the like button because that's how you support your guy. Okay, keep on smashing the like button because that's how you support your guy. Okay, let's support. I'm doing this for free, so I just need you guys to support me. Smash the like, bring your friends, and I have an amazing update here. Okay, yes. So what do we do here? uh, the block I'm using, guys, this is the block I'm using. I'm using HFM. Okay, so I recommend everybody here to make sure that you use the block I'm using, and also uh, if you use the broker I'm using and you fund your account, then communicate with me with my WhatsApp number. Okay, and then once you communicate with me with my WhatsApp number, then I will add you to the free VIP group. Okay, as I said, I need 50 people. I need 50 people whom I can trade with. All right, I need 50 people I can trade with. So HFM, they accept cent account, and for me, I prefer to use cent account because very good for beginners. I know most of us here, we are still struggling. Okay, still struggling with capital, so we need a cent account. Okay, so you can check on the description there. I've really shared my referral link. Okay, I've really shared my referral link. Okay, so I've just shared my referral link, and I've also shared my if you want to follow my trades, you can just copy my trades, then there is a link for doing that. Okay, perfect. So now we are at 56. We are at 56, guys. So we are at 56, and this is the overall analysis. As you can see, I was doing some analysis here. Okay, this is the overall analysis which I was doing. I started with weekly, then I went to day, and then I went to 4 hour, then I went to 1 hour, and 30 minutes and 15 minutes. And this is what you see, guys. Okay, this is what you see. So basing on our strategy, we come here at 57. Okay, we come here at 57, and at 57 we are looking for a candle at 57 to be completed at 57. So that's where now we will know we are waiting for a breakout. Okay, so we mark the high, we mark the supply, the resistance. bado nasikia kelele. Okay, so we come at the 57, and we mark the high and low. Okay, we mark the high and low. We mark the high and low, and this is our high, and you just mark the 57. Okay. Oh, sorry. Very big sorry, guys. That is not the correct one. Let me put it here. It is a 3 minutes time frame. Okay. 3 minutes time frame. So you mark the high and the low of the 57. So this is what? 57. So we mark, okay, we mark the high and the low of 57, which is support and resistance. So this is our what? This is our support, and this is our what? This is our resistance. Now we have a fair value gap here. We have a very big fair value gap here, which is, we have a fair value gap here, which definitely it will force us to take a what? It will force us to take a sell. Okay. So let's see. And after marking the high, so now I'm going to take a sell because of that fair value gap. So we take a sell, guys, selling down, but this can be our what? Now if you go to 1 minute, you might see it very well. This is our 1 minute. You can see price came and then we came back here. Now we are moving down, but you measure, let's measure our 20 pips horizontal. That is our 20 pips horizontal. Okay, that is our 20 pips horizontal, and again we measure here 20 pips horizontal. Perfect. So now we expect that if price will take price in a 1 minute, yes, we see that. And even if you bring this one here, you can see in a 1 minute it just came and touch here. Okay, so maybe it will still come back here and we see a rejection. Okay, but what do we have here? You can see this was a break of a structure, and this was the candle whereby You cannot just ignore it. Okay, so price here was consolidating, and this was also a break of structure, and this was the last candle before this impulsive movement to break this low, this higher low. Okay, sorry, this yes, this higher low, because this was higher low. So we took this higher low, but this was the last candle. Okay, so we can take it down here. Now let's keep watching. So we saw price taking that. Let's go back to our what? So if we come back here down there, but we have something here also, we can't ignore it. Okay, we had a fair value gap here, but also we have this one here. Perfect. So now, as I said, we are taking a sell. Okay, so we saw price coming inside here, and you can see we had this opposite candle. Okay, this is the opposite candle. This one here is the opposite candle, a reversal candle. Okay, and so we have the low, that's the candle. We saw liquidity being taken. Now let's see. Now if you go to 3 minutes, this is what you will see now. Yes, now according to our strategy, we need to see a breakout, and we saw a breakout. Yes, we saw a breakout. Okay, so we saw a breakout. Of course, we saw a breakout. Okay, but this breakout was just a fake one, because we didn't see anything serious stronger taking these 20 pips horizontal. Now you see, as I said, we were taking a sell, so now price came to this level here. Now we want to see price, if it will just take this down. Let's wait and see now for another candle which will be formed after this. Okay, for another candle which will be formed after this. So it was a clear sell from here because of this fair value gap, as I said. So you are supposed just to take sell there, and your stop loss should be just above there, and focusing on 1 to 2, which it was around here. But you can focus taking up to this down here. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, let's wait now for our, let's wait and see, because we had a fair value gap here, and we were having another fair value gap here, very small one, and we have this one here. Okay, we have this one here. Now what I want here to do, we are going for another thing. Now you see here there was a fair value gap here, and even if you take this one here up, you can see price came and being rejected to this order block here. Okay, now we see a reversal. This is a 3 minutes. Okay, so we did not see any breakout of the support level, rather we'll just see a big rejection to our support level, and this is our support level, but price came to this fair value gap, and this is what we see. So we have to be patient. So step number 1, we have made already profit on selling this 1 to 2. So this was the first